So dear friends, in the last lecture we did rule number 1. So what is the rule number 1? If the given equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is a homogeneous and mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then the reciprocal 1 upon mx plus ny is an integrating factor. So this is called rule number 1, and I did one problem based on this. So let us do another problem based on that rule, or you can say that method. So example number 2. Okay. Example number 2. Solve the differential equation 3x y square. Solve the differential equation 3x y square minus y cube dx minus you can write 2x square y and minus x y square dy, and this is equal to 0. So solution, how to find the solution of this differential equation? First of all, we should write the given differential equation as it is. Given differential equation as it is, that is 3x y square minus y cube dx minus 2x square y minus x y square dy equal to 0. This is your given differential equation. So for this, what I have to do? We comparing the given differential equation with the standard form. So comparing this with standard form. What is the standard form? M dx plus n dy, and this is equal to 0. We get what we get? M equal to, that is m equal to first part, that is what? 3x y square minus y cube, and n equal to second part. What is the second part? This one, by taking minus n. So minus 2x square y and minus x y square. Okay, this is m and n. Now our job is what? To find partial derivative of m and n with respect to y or x respectively. So just find a partial derivative. So dou m by, therefore dou m by dou y, and this equal to what? We differentiating with respect to y, so x will be constant. So this will be 3 to the 6 x y and minus
3y square.
Minus what? 3y square. Okay. Now name this equation number 1. Now again differentiating n partially with respect to x. So this become dou n by dou x, and this is equal to what? Minus, we differentiating with respect to x, so y will be constant.
4xy.
So this will be 4x and y, and minus here y square. Getting? Derivative of x is 1. So this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can see that dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So this can be written as dou m. What?
So plus हो जाएगा y square.
So this will be plus. Okay. Minus n multiply inside. So this will be plus. Okay. Getting? So dou m by dou y, and which is not equal to dou n by dou x from 1 and 2. Okay. From 1 and 2. So for this, what have to do? Okay. So we have to find out the integrating factor. So therefore we can say that the given differential equation is not exact. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. Okay, so our job is what? Our job is to find integrating factor. Okay, now to find integrating factor, to find integrating factor IF. Okay, integrating factor. So what are the integrating factor? First we find denominator, then we'll take reciprocal of that. So mx plus ny, and this equal to, we find mx. So m is what? Our m is 3xy square minus y cube, and into x, and plus n. What is the n? N is what? Minus n. Okay, I'm taking minus sign as a like this, minus of 2x square y, and minus xy square into what? Into y. Okay, just simplify this first. So this is what? 3x y square minus y, sorry, we multiply with x na. So this is what? 3x square y square minus x cube, or you can say x, you can say x cube and into x. Okay, it is correct. Now see here, now multiply with minus sign inside. So minus, and we multiply with
2x.
minus sign inside x, then y. So this is minus 2x square and y square. Okay, minus goes here, plus. So this is x y cube, xy cube. Now observe this. So this factor and this factor will cancel. Okay, now simplify this. So you will get 3x square y square. So 2x square.
X square y square.
X square y square is an integrating factor. So which is not equal to 0. Okay, so therefore our integrating factor is, therefore IF integrating factor is what? We take reciprocal of this, 1 upon what? Mx plus
ny.
So first, this is equal to what? 1 upon x square into y square. Y square. Okay, now name this equation number star. Name this equation number star. Okay, now multiplying by integrating factor, 1 upon x square plus y square in equation number star. So just multiply. So in equation number 1, or you can say in equation star, multiply by integrating factor IF. Integrating factor, what is that? X square, 1 upon x square into y square. Okay, just multiply. So we first go to the next page. So our integrating factor is 1 upon x square into y square. Just multiply. So we multiplying, so this become x square y square into 3x y square, okay, minus y cube dx, and minus sign over here, 1 upon x square y square into 2x square y minus xy square and dy. Okay, dy, and this is equal to 0, because anything multiplied by 0, that will be 0. Okay, now so this will be exact, which is exact. Why is this so? Because we multiplied by the integrating factor. So there is no need to show it is exact. Okay. Now what? Now comparing this with, now comparing this with standard form. What is the standard form? M dash dx plus n dash dy equal to 0. We get m dash equal to first part. What is the first part? 1 upon x square y square into 3x y square minus y cube, and n dash will be what? 1 upon x square into y square माइनस n यहाँ पे लगा दो फर्स्ट, देन 2x square y minus xy square. Okay, this is m dash or n dash. Just simplify this first, multiply inside. So you'll get 3 1x and 1x cancel,
x
1 by x. Okay,
3 upon
3 upon x हो गया, y cancel हो गया, y square will cancel, and here minus
x square y upon x
1 upon
y
here this is the y cube na, so 1 y will
y
be
upon
there,
x square sir.
y upon x,
हाँ तो y upon x square.
y upon x square, getting? Yes, y upon x square. Now this simplify this, so you will get x square will cancel, so minus 2 upon
minus 2 upon
y,
y.
एक y or 1 y and 1 y cancel, though remaining y is remaining over here. So now minus goes plus,
Plus
1 upon x
x square cancel, this is what? 1 upon x.
1 upon x.
Yes. Now our job is to find the general solution. Therefore the solution, or you can say general solution. Therefore the general solution is given by what is the general solution? Just write down the formula for that.
integration
So
of
integrating over y by integrating with respect to x by treating y constant. So y constant. Okay. M dash dx plus integrating n dash with respect to y, and this equal to c, while taking terms in n free from x. Terms in n, that is n dash free from x. Free from x. Okay, so just integrate it. So m dash, what is the m dash? M dash is this, that is 3 by x minus y upon what? X square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, into dx, and plus terms in n free from x, means which term should I take here? So this is not terms free from x, means what? We will not take this term, we will take only this term. इसमें x नहीं है. terms in n free from x, ऐसा term जिसमें x नहीं है, that is what? 2 upon y and dy, and this is equal to what? c, that is what? Integrating constant. See, simply here देखो, simply you can observe that this is we integrating with respect to y na? So there should not be x. Okay, like that. Now just integrate it. So 3 is constant, we taking outside, so 1 upon x dx minus y is constant, taking outside, so this is what? Minus 2 x raised to minus 2 dx. Okay, so minus, I'm taking 2 constant as outside, So this become what? Integration of 1 upon y and dy equal to c. Just integrate it. So this is what? 3. Integration of 1 upon x is what? Log of
Log x.
log x minus y. So integration of x raised to minus 2, that is what? Minus 2
Minus
and
1.
plus 1 divided by minus 2
1
plus 1. ठीक है? So minus 2. What is derivative of, sorry, integration of 1 upon y? That is
X by Y.
log y into c. Just simplify this.
Log y.
Just simplify this. So this become what?
3 log X.
Log x cube minus goes plus
Plus
y
y upon x.
1 upon x.
upon x. Okay, so this is what? X raised to minus 1, and here minus plus, that is y upon x. So minus
Y
log
Log y.
y square equal to c. Now apply the property of log a minus b. Apply the property of logarithm, that is what? So log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b. So this is what? Log a is first one,
X cube
x cube
y
upon
square
y square. Okay,
Plus
plus
1
y by x.
Plus
Plus
y by x.
y by
y by
X
x and equal to
equal to
c.
C.
Equal to c. Okay, now what? Now we can simplify this mode. So this can be written as log of x cube by y square. Okay, I am shifting this on that side, so this becomes c minus y by x. Okay, now let us move to the next page. So we write here again, that is log of ex cube by y square. Okay, and here c minus what? Y by x. C minus y by x. C
Y
minus y by x. Okay,
Yes.
now so this can be written as what? X cube by y square. So if I taking anti-log on both sides, so this will become what? Exponential power e raised to c minus
Y minus y by x.
y by x. Okay, so this is your required solution, or you can say like that. You can simplify more. So x cube equal to y square
Y.
e raised to c minus
Y by x.
y by x. Okay, which is required solution, which is required solution of given differential equation, Okay, I hope you understood this. This is a very simple problem. You understood?
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
लॉग तक छोड़ेंगे तो भी चलेगा ना?
हाँ,
लॉग तक
हाँ.
छोड़ेंगे तो भी चलेगा ना?
यस आप यहाँ तक भी छोड़ सकते हो, लेकिन क्या है ना, योर सोल्यूशन विल बी व्हाट? मोर सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म. योर सोल्यूशन इज मोर सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म, मतलब कि उस जहाँ के बाद सोल्यूशन सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सको, दैट इज योर फाइनल आंसर. ठीक है? सो हाँ, यू शुड सिंप्लीफाई मोर एज मच एज पॉसिबल.
ओके
गेटिंग?
तो हम लोग क्यूब रूट में भी ले सकते हैं फिर.
ओके, व्हाट?
तो हम लोग क्यूब रूट में भी ले सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, यस, यू कैन टेक वन स्टेप मोर. आप क्यू रूट भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है? तो दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन. So let us begin next. Should I give one problem exercise? So let us take exercise problem. Example number what? 3. Solve the differential equation x square y dx and minus x cube plus y cube and dy, and this is equal to 0. So This is a simple exercise for you. So please do this problem at your home. This is HW, that is homework. Okay. Now let us begin to the next rule. Rule number 2, or you can say method number 2. Rule number 2. So what is the rule number 2? If the given equation is of the form, we write if the given equation, which equation? Differential equation. Given differential equation is of the form y f1 and product of xy plus xy dx and plus x into f2. f2 is the function of product of xy and dy, and this equal to 0. If the given differential equation is of the form this, where f1 and f2 are functions of the product of or you can say functions of product xy. Okay, then 1 upon mx minus ny, provided that mx minus ny is not equal to 0, is an integrating factor. Integrating factor. You understood this? Rule number 2, very simple. So now let us do the problem based on this. So problem number 1, or you can say example number 1. Example. So your rule number 2 says that if the given differential equation is of the form y into f1 xy dx plus x f2 xy dy equal to 0, where f1 and f2 are the functions of product x and y. Okay, then the reciprocal 1 upon mx minus ny is an integrating factor, but the condition is what? The denominator part must be non-zero. Getting? So let us do the problem. Example number 1. Solve the differential equation y 1 plus xy dx plus x 1 minus xy dy equal to 0. Is the given differential equation is of the form this? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why is this so? Because the first term contain the product xy and second term is also contain the product what?
XY.
xy. So this is f2 and this is f1, and y is as it is y, and dx is as it is dx, and x is as it is x, and dy is as it is dy. So this is what? Your f1, this is f2. Getting? So now comparing the given differential equation is of the form, we write solution. So in solution, what I have to do first? We copy the given differential equation as it is. So we write given differential equation. What are the given to you? Y 1 plus xy dx plus x 1 minus axy and dy and this is equal to 0. This is the simply given differential equation. Okay. Okay. Now, comparing the given differential equation with the standard form. So comparing this with the standard form, that is what, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So we get m. What is the m? M equal to what? First part y 1 plus xy, or n is what? N is x 1 minus xy. Okay. Now our job is what? To find the integrating factor. First of all, we should show whether it is exact or non-exact. So for this, what I have to do? We just simplify this first. Okay. We simplify. Just multiply inside. So y plus xy square. Okay. And this is what? X minus x square y. Now differentiating m partially with respect to y, or n partially with respect to x. So this implies that, should I write over here? No. We will write here. So dou m by dou y, and this equal to dou m by dou y. We differentiating with respect to y, so x will be constant. So here 1 plus 2xy. Okay. And we differentiating n partially with respect to x. So dou n by dou x equal to 1 minus 2x y. See here, from these two we can observe that, so everything is same but sign is different. So we can say that the given differential equation dou m by dou y is not equal to what? Dou n by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. Let us go to the next page. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. So given differential equation is not exact, then what have to do? We have to find integrating factor. Why is this so? Because we have to find the solution of the given differential equation. So we need to find the integrating factor by using rule number 2. So now what? Now to find integrating factor. Now to find integrating factor IF. Okay. So for this we first find the denominator part, that is mx minus ny. So this equal to m. What is the m? What is the m here? Can you tell me m?
1 plus
y into 1 plus xy. Okay. Into x.
Yes.
Into x minus n. N is what? X 1
X
minus xy
xy
into what? Into y. Into y. Just simplify this. So we multiply. So this become yx and plus
x.
this is what? X square y square. X square y square, and minus xy minus goes plus. This is what? X square and y square. Okay. So which factor cancel over here? This factor will cancel. So what is the remaining? So we get 2x square y square, and which is what? Which is not equal to 0. Getting? So therefore IF integrating factor is 1 upon mx minus and y, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 times of x square y square. Okay, this is integrating factor. Now multiply this integrating factor in given equation, given differential equation in equation star. Okay, so multiplying this differential equation in equation number star. So in equation number star, we multiply by integrating factor. This is equal to what? 1 upon 2 times of ax square y square. Okay, we get just multiply over this. So we get 1 upon 2 times of x square y square into y 1 plus xy dx and plus 1 upon 2x square y square into x, then into 1 minus xy and dy, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so now this become exact, which is exact. Okay, so now just simplify this, then we compare which is exact. Okay, now comparing this with standard form. Now comparing this, which is exact differential equation. Okay, now comparing this with the standard form, that is what? M dash dx plus n dash dy equal to 0. We get what we get? M dash equal to first part, that is what? 1 upon 2x square y square into y 1 plus exy. Okay, this is first part. Now n dash is second part, that is what? 1 upon 2x square y square into x 1 minus xy 1 minus xy. Okay, now just simplify this both. M dash, we cancel this, that is what? Here 1 upon 2 x square y, 1 y will cancel. Okay,
Yes.
now
1
plus sign,
upon
plus sign here. So see here, this is y square, this is what? Y square, and y square will cancel, or 1x will be cancelled. This is what? 1 upon x. This is what?
1 upon 2x.
1 upon 2x. Okay,
2.
just multiply first. This become what? Ax y square. So y square cancel. So 1x cancel. So this become 1 upon 2x. Okay, now come to here. So this x cancel. Remaining is what? 1 upon 2x y square. Getting? Now minus sign, minus here 1 upon, so this is x square gone, एक y यहाँ से कटा, so this is 1 upon 2y. Getting? Now therefore the general solution is given by, therefore the general solution is given by GS is given by What is the general solution? Integrating by treating y constant m dash dx and plus integration of n dash dy equal to c, where c is the integrating constant, by taking terms in n dash free from x, terms in n dash free from x. Okay, just integrate this. So let us move to the next page. Can you tell me the m dash? What is the m dash?
1 upon 2x square of y
Jara,
Plus-
tell me. What is that?
1 upon
1
2x
upon
square y
2x square y
plus
Then?
1 upon 2x
1 upon
plus 1 upon
2x
x
and dx. Okay, and plus, come to the second part. Terms
Removing
in
x.
n dash free from x. Free from x, we will not take this term because here x is there. So terms in n free from x. So we'll take this term minus of 1 by 2y.
of 2y 1 upon 2y.
Yes. So this is negative of 1 upon 2y and dy equal to c. Okay. Now just integrate it. So this is 1 upon 2y is constant. I'm taking outside. So this become what? Minus 2 x raised to minus 2 dx and plus 1 by 2 I'm taking outside. Integration of 1 upon x dx minus 1 by 2 I'm taking outside. Integration of 1 upon y dy equal to c. Just integrate it. So 1 upon 2y, this become what? X raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, and plus 1 upon 2. Integration of 1 upon x is what? Log of
Log
x
x.
minus 1 by 2. And this is what? Log of y, and
Y.
this equal to c. Okay, just simplify this. So this become what? This is minus, na? So this is negative of 1 upon 2xy. It is correct?
Yes.
Now,
Plus
plus 1 by 2 I'm taking as it is. So this can be written as log of x by y. Is this correct? And this equal to c. Okay. Again, simplify this, or you leave. You can simplify. Otherwise, you can leave this much. Okay. So which is the required solution? No need to simplify more. Which is require general solution. Okay, or simplify this. So what is the common here? You will not take anything common. So we just multiply by 2 on that side. So multiplying by 2, so this become what? 1 upon xy plus log of x by y. So this is what? 2c. Okay, so this is again a constant. So we are replacing that c with another c. xy plus plus what? Log
Sir,
of
minus will come, no, sir. Minus 1 upon xy.
yes. Negative sign over here. So this we will take another c, that is c. Okay, where c 2c equal to bada c. Okay, big c है. So we shifting this on that side. So this equal to log of x by y. Log of x by y equal to c minus here, and this become plus 1 upon xy. So this is what ax upon y become e raised to c plus 1 upon xy. So this can again be written as x equal to y e raised to c plus 1 upon xy, which is the required solution. Which is required solution. Which is required solution of given differential equation. Given differential equation. Okay. Example number 2. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation y into sine product of xy plus product xy into cos product xy dx and plus x into product xy cos xy minus sin xy. Okay, this problem you have to solve. So I want to give this problem as an exercise for you. So please do this problem at your home. If you're not able to solve this problem, please ask me. I will solve this later. So this is exercise for you. Now let us move to the next rule, rule number 3. Okay. Rule number 3. If the expression m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is such that the ratio dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n is a function of x only, then e raised to integration of f of x dx is an integrating factor. Okay, so this is simple. So rule number 2, what says rule number 2? If the differential equation of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is such that this ratio is a function of x only, then exponential function e raised to integration of f of x dx is an integrating factor. Okay, so let us see how to solve this type of problem. So let us see example. Example number 1. Solve the differential equation. The problem is very simple. Solve the differential equation y minus 2x cube dx minus x 1 minus xy 1 minus xy dy equal to 0. Okay, now comparing this with standard form, this is given differential equation. So we write solution. So for that we write the given differential equation as it is. So given differential equation, what is that? Y minus 2x cube dx minus x 1 minus axy dy, and this equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Okay. Now comparing the given differential equation with the standard form. So comparing this with the standard form. What is the standard form? With the standard form m dx plus n dy, and which is equal to what? 0. We comparing, so we get dx equal to dx and m equal to this expression y minus 2x cube, and n equal to what? This expression negative of x 1 minus xy, and dy is same as dy. Okay, so we get m equal to what? M is y minus 2x cube, and n equal to what? Negative of x,
1 minus
negative of x 1 minus xy. Okay, so this is m and x. Now differentiating m partially with respect to y, so just differentiate this. So dou m by dou y equal, this is equal to 1 minus, this is what? 0. So you get dou m by dou y is simply 1. Getting? Now differentiating n partially with respect to x. So if you differentiate with respect to x, so y will be constant. So just simplify this first. So we multiply this become minus x, and minus goes plus x square y. So differentiating with respect to x, this become negative 1 and plus 2 times of x y. Okay, 2 times of x y. Now from 1 and 2 we can observe that from 1 and 2, this is 1, this is 2. So therefore we can say that dou m by dou y is not equal to what? Dou n by dou x. Okay, therefore the given differential equation is not exact. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. Okay, so if given differential equation is not exact, then what have to do the next step? Bolo? Then what have to do the next step? Our job is what? To find the
integrating factor.
Yes, our job is to find integrating factor. So let us find the integrating factor. For that we first find this expression. So integrating factor. So now to find integrating factor. Okay, so this is not integrating factor, this is the expression. Okay, your integrating factor is this. So we first find this expression. So that is what? Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n, and this equal to dou m by dou y, we found this much 1 and minus dou n by dou x, this one. So minus goes plus, this can be written as what? 2xy minus 1. Okay, so we write here 2xy minus 1 divided by n. What is the n? N is this
minus
x plus
x square y.
Just solve this. So this become minus plus. This become what? 2 and plus, sorry, minus 2 plus this minus here plus, so 1 and 1 here 2, and negative of 2xy, and divide by this expression. That is what we write this as x square y negative x. Okay, so we taking common, so we taking 2 from numerator, that is 1 minus xy, and divide by x. I'm taking x common from the denominator, so this become what? This become, sorry, we taking minus of x, so this become 1 and negative
The 2
xy.
upon minus 2 upon
Negative
x.
xy. So this expression 1 minus xy will cancel. So you will get 2 upon x, negative of 2 upon x, which is what? Which is simply function of x. इसमें देखो, इसमें
1
केवल
upon x
x ही है. So this is f of x.
1 upon
Okay.
x square.
See, this is f of x. Now read our method. Rule number 3. If m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is the such that this expression is a function of x only. So this is the function of x only. Okay. Then only you can say that this is the integrating factor. Okay. Therefore, integrating factor if equal to what? E raised to integration of f of x dx. Now solve this. So this equal to what? This equal to e raised to integration of f of x is what? Negative of 2 upon x dx, and this equal to, I'm taking 2h outside, so e raised to minus 2 integration of dx upon x. So this become e raised to minus 2. This is integration of 1 upon x is what? Log of x. Log of x. So this can be written as e raised to log of
x square.
minus 2. Log of x raised to minus 2.
X minus raised to.
Yes. And this can be written as what? E raised to log of 1 upon x square. Okay. Or this can be written as what? Simply 1 upon x square. Okay. This is your integrating factor is 1 upon x. Okay. E raised to log of something is there, then this part is integrating factor. Okay. This is the property of logarithm. E raised to log of 1 upon x square. Okay. So this is 1 upon x square is a integrating factor. Now multiply this integrating factor in equation number star. Which is the equation number star? This one. Given equation is always equation number star. Now let us move to the next page. Move to the next page. So what have to do the next step? We multiply in equation number 1, or you can say in equation star, multiply by integrating factor if equal to 1 upon x square. We get just multiply. So we will have 1 upon x square, 1 upon x square into y minus 2x cube dx, and minus 1 upon x square into x 1 minus xy dy, and this is equal to 0. Okay. And which is what? Which will be exact, which is, or you can say which will be exact differential equation. Okay. So no need to show which is exact. Now comparing this with standard form. Now comparing comparing this with standard form. What is the standard form? M dash dx plus n dash dy equal to 0. We get m dash first part, that is what, 1 upon x square into y minus 2x cube, and n dash, what is the n dash? N dash is this expression, negative of 1 upon x square into x 1 minus x y. Okay, now just simplify this. So if you simplify m dash, so this become y upon x square minus 2x. So this is x cube, x square cancel, become x solution. Now, therefore the general solution is given by, therefore the general solution is given by, what is the general solution? Integrating m dash with respect to x by treating y constant, and plus integration of n dash dy and equal to c, where c is the integrating constant, by treating terms in n dash free from x. So we write terms in n dash free from x, just integrate it. So integration m dash is what? That is y upon x square minus 2x dx, and plus n dash is terms in n free from x. We take such term which is free from the x. So only term is what? Y dy equal to c, where c is the integrating constant. Just integrate this. So I am treating y as a constant. So this become integration of x raised to minus 2. Integration of x raised to minus 2 dx minus 2 integration of x dx, and plus here y square by 2. Integration of y dy is y square by 2, and which is equal to c. Okay, so this become y into x raised to 2 plus 1, that is what? Minus 1 upon minus 1, and minus 2, and this is what? X square by 2, and plus y square by 2 equal to c. So this can be written as negative of y upon x, and these two we cancel, this become minus x square and plus y square by 2, and which is equal to c. Okay, which is equal to c. Now just multiply with minus sign. So this become what? Y upon x minus plus x square and minus y square by 2, and this is equal to what? This is equal to c, where minus c equal to c, which is required general solution.